Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today it is snowing. It is gross out. There's supposed to be a huge winter storm. Everybody is home, so I thought I would create this beautiful look, eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. It's just going to be a non-voice video just because everyone is here. I'm just going to put some music on in the background for the tutorial, but I'll show you guys the eyeshadows that I'm using to create this eyeshadow look. So I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario Neutrals 2 palette, the neutrals, for the look, as well as my Sephora Mini Mix palette. This is in the shades Beyond Brown, and as well my Studio Solo Shadow from Merit Beauty. So I'll just kind of link in the description box all the products that I used, and then you can create this look for yourself. So if you guys are interested in just sitting back, relaxing, I'm going to put some calm music on for the eyeshadow tutorial. It'll be so easy to follow along to, then just keep watching. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I created this beautiful eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.